Hello everybody, we are going to be doing Packet Tracer 10.1.4. And in this Packet Tracer, it is not too bad. We are just doing a simple router settings configuration. So the first step is we are going to go down here to our console cable, which is the blue one. We're going to click PCA. And then once we click PCA, all we're going to do is select RS232 and then put it into the console port. And then we're going to go to PCA, and then we're going to select non-terminal and click OK. And then here, I'm just going to type in enable. Once I type in enable, I'm going to do show running config, press enter. And then here we could see our running config, and we could answer a couple questions. I'm going to pull up the questions on a notepad. So here are all the questions if you guys are needing the questions and the answers. I do have them all listed right here. So go ahead, pause, and write these down. But other than that, let's go back to the configuration part. If you need that, just remember to pause. So now we're just going to do displaying the current controls of the MVRAM. So we're going to do show startup config, and then we're going to do startup again. Oh, sorry. Config, and then it says it's not present. Okay, so you need to write down it does not display a message. And our next step is to configure the settings on R1. So now we have to configure R1. So to configure R1, all we're going to do is type in enable if you're not in enable, and then configure T. Once we're in configuration mode, we're just going to do host name R1, enter. Once we're here, we're going to do line console 0. We're going to set a password, which is going to be password. We'll do let me in, enter. And then we're going to type in login to login. And then we're going to exit out of this console line. And then here, we're going to enable a password of Cisco. So enable password Cisco. And then we're going to do enable secret Cisco. We're going to do it's a secret. It's a secret. And then once we're here, let's check what percentage we are at. So here it looks like we are right here. We're at 60% done. So we are almost done with this activity. Is it right here? It's a secret. Okay, so now we're going to do service password encryption. And we are also going to set a banner. So we're going to do banner MOTD, and we're going to do $. Now we're going to type unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. And what this does is just it leaves a banner of the day. And then once we do that, we're going to do exit, and then we're going to do copy, run, start. And then click enter here, and then we should get this message, and then after that we should be done here. So yeah, we are completed. We are at 100%. And if you have any questions about any of the answers, I do have that screenshot of the notepad pulled up, so take a screenshot and fill all those out. And if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.